Right, so this is the first time on the Slingshot Glidecraft, and this is the 80 litre board, 5'4" by 24.5 inches wide. And on the inside here on the Indian River, the wind is pretty fluky. And so I went with the 80 litre because you need a little bit of volume to stand up and get out to the wind line. And you know, it's funny, I had a few comments on the beach about it being 24 inches wide. I know the trend is mid-length is narrow. I get it. I've got a Flowcraft 95. I've got a Lasercraft. But I really wanted a board that when it's windy, typically over 20 miles an hour, I wanted something comfortable, something to climb on, get going. And this board is more about overall shape rather than just board width. So it has a very narrow, thin nose compared to the Flowcraft V2. And so it typically means you have to lean back, move your weight back into the straps quicker than the Flowcraft. But once you're up in the air, it feels like there's little to no swing weight. And again, that's something I'm looking for in a board where I can sort of carve it, you know, harden to the wind. Construction-wise, it's the same sort of technology as the Flowcraft V2, and it's also very light. And so when you do get settled into the foot straps and get comfortable, there's obviously a little bit more volume and tail width behind you, but because you're obviously cruising and you look down and it looks like the board is smaller than it actually is. You know, at 5'4", it's got the rocker length to get you up riding fast, but as soon as you start cruising, it kind of feels more like a 5 foot type-ish wingboard underfoot, and it was very smooth. And I like that, you know, you're in control. The board's not tipping over when you're climbing on. You can go out in some pretty steep chop into some waves maybe, and you know, in the back of your mind, you can stand up, lean back, sheet in, go. And that's exactly what I wanted, and the Glidecraft has checked all the boxes. So I'm very, very pleased on this very first test on the Glidecraft, and I'm sure there will be many more videos, so stay tuned and talk to you later. Thanks.